yeah, edge is always a big challenge for large language models because they're called large for a reason, right? They're very resource intensive, and I think it depends what kind of edge. I mean, a smartphone is also considered edge, like a Pixel phone, right? But also a laptop, some consider as edge. If you're having a MacBook or maybe a gaming PC, you maybe have a GPU or something which is close to a GPU, or even a good CPU, then it's easier for you. But if you're calling edge on mobile devices, that's a totally different thing. They need to be cautious about energy consumption, not only memory, also energy consumption. We have very restrictive hardware limitations as well. But in the end, it all goes down to how you actually can reduce your model size. And there are different techniques to do that. You could use model quantization, for example. There are also different model quantization methods, which you either do this post-training or you do it before the training, during the training, also different techniques. And this drastically helps to reduce the model size and also the model memory consumption and also the hardware requirements for your model. And I think this is if you really want to go to the edge, try to find a model which is already quite small and optimized. So don't take the Llama 7TB, it will be too large. Take the smallest Llama model, Llama 7B, try to find an already quantized version. So you don't need to do this necessarily yourself. So you're going to Hugging Face, there are a lot of quantized models, and test them, give them a try, how good they run on the edge. And combining this with the large context size, the context size always requires memory, but not as much as the model itself. So I would focus on optimizing the model and then it's getting easier to actually also run with larger context sizes. But still, the models itself, they are usually they're also already limited by the context size itself. So if you're using Llama 2 7B, I think we're limited to 42K context size, and it's hard to get it bigger than that on the edge devices. So yeah, it's a different topic, right? We're leaving the cloud a bit and optimizing for specific smaller hardware devices.